welcome to my channel. This is my first video on YouTube channel. Hope you like it. My channel is all about fun learning. My name is Dikshita Gure. Today I am gonna show you 3 science experiments. Come on, let's get started. Today we are doing 3 science experiments. First one is testing capillarity, and second one is melting rates, and third one is milk art. Let's start with testing capillarity. We need normal paper and tissue paper, food coloring and water. Take a normal white paper and cut into 1 inch rectangle size. I already have one in my hand. Paper, tissue, food coloring and water. Let's add food coloring into the water. Let's insert both the paper in the water like this. Let's wait for few seconds. Come on, let's see. Did you notice? The tissue paper absorbed the water very fast. This is because tissue paper has more space in them. That's why we all use tissue papers for cleaning. How is the first experiment? Did you like it? Now let us do second experiment, melting rates. We need 3 ice cubes, 3 color sheets, black, white and red. Now let us go into the sunlight to do experiment. Let us now place all the color sheets in the sunlight and place each ice cube over them. Now let us wait for some time and check. Did you notice the ice cube on the black pepper melted very fast? The ice melted very fast because pepper absorbs more sunlight. This is the reason ice melted very fast. How was the second experiment, friends? Was it interesting? Okay, let's now do the third one. Now let us do third experiment, milk art. We need milk, food colorings, liquid soap and bird. Now let's start. Pour some food coloring in the center. And pour red food coloring in the top. And the bird dip into the liquid soap. And see what happens. Wow! Wow, it's like a design. Wow, it's moving. You can see this. You observe this? It's moving. Wow. We notice that when we put the bird, the color spreads all away. Milk is made up of fat and is acidic in nature. The liquid soap is base. The base reacts with fat and breaks into smaller components. This is why the color is spreading. How is the third experiment, friends? Was it interesting? Hope you liked all 3 experiments. Please subscribe to my channel and like the videos. Thank you. Bye.